Reality.
Run.
How did I go from this to this?
Let me take you on a quick tour on the Emirates Aviation College. This is where a cabin crew does her training for 2 months, which includes safety, security, medical, and service. This is our state-of-the-art simulators for Boeing and Airbus, where we do our emergency drills. That pool right there is where we jump, and it's ice cold, by the way. And here is the stunning view of Dubai from the cafeteria. This is my favorite spot in training college.